Good day, and welcome to another one of our educative videos designed to help you enhance your online shopping experience from within MyBidfood. In today's video, I would like to show you how to filter your search results based upon additional information such as its ingredients, dietary requirements, or food usage. As you can see on the screen, once your keyword search is completed, on the left-hand side you have 3 additional filters which you can access. There's an ingredient filter, there's a dietary requirement filter, and there's a food usage filter. All of them tick boxes. In the ingredient filter, whichever ingredient you are choosing here, we will then cross-reference into your search to make sure that they are free of these ingredients, such as caffeine-free products. In the next drop-down, dietary requirements, you can then choose and filter based upon the information which we have on file, which of your products in your search are halal certified, halal suitable, kosher certified, or kosher suitable. And lastly, based upon your search results, you are able to filter them by their food usage. In the example that I have, there are finger foods, foods of flavor, light meal, main meal, and preparation required. Just a note. All of this is based upon information which we have on file and stored. Any product where the information has not been captured is automatically omitted from your results. We thank you and hope to see you soon in another one of our videos for MyBidfood.